Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for one and only Irfan Lone, all the way from Kashmir. Woo!
I refused to use the mic because it was made in China. See these crumbles? I couldn't iron because iron was made in China. So how are you guys doing?
Very well.
Dude, who wears pink mask? Is it sanitizer in your socks? I don't blame you. I don't blame you. I mean, 2020 has been a beach so far. You agree?
Yes.
So many people are dying that every morning we get up and our first reaction is we look at our phones and our first reaction is RIP. And we people are so cute that we are making fun out of dying. You remember coffin dancers? Come on, sing with me. Now what else can we do, man? Just pray to God and subscribe to the channel. So let me introduce myself. My name is Irfan Lone. I am from Kashmir and I am currently in Goa.
Sir, do we need passport from Goa, Kashmir to Goa?
Not Kazakhstan. No, we don't need passport.
Yes, sir.
So currently I am in Goa, and what to tell about Goa, man? People are sweet and lovely, and we have got ancient like monuments here, super beaches. They have glorious mosques, church, temples, and beaches. And most importantly, we got potholes. We have so many potholes that if you don't drive or ride carefully, sue direct channel. You know, I was actually, let me tell you about profession. By profession, I'm a nurse. See, you people are sweet, man. Not everyone thinks of it like this. You know, there are few people who think that we heal people with touch, with our looks, our outfit, and they humiliate the noble profession. So don't disrespect the noble profession. You know what I'm talking about, right?
Yes.
And I was actually gonna do jokes on politics. That's what I'm good at. But then I thought before I do that, let me talk to my dad about it. I called my dad, I'm like, hey dad, I'm going to do jokes on politics. What do you think of it? And my dad says, don't show your face again, do not come home, and please change your surname. That's the tension of politics. Now the thing is that I love my family, so no jokes on politics. No jokes on
Politics.
But I'm just going to say this one line, and this is not in favor or against any political party. It is just about the Modi ji startup line. Modi ji comes with the startup line like, मित्रों और मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों. I want him to change this, like change it to something exciting, more exciting, like तो कैसे हैं आप लोग? I mean, that RSS dude is like, yes, I support the So no jokes on politics because since my dad didn't let me roast the government. So I thought I had a plan. I was like, why don't I roast my dad instead? I mean, you don't get this opportunity, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's talk about my family. It's a very small family. It's just me, my parents, 3 brothers, 3 sisters. Some of them are married, their kids. So it's like 15 to 20 members. I don't know the exact number because I haven't been home since a while. So I don't know what's going on there. See, now that dude thinks he's cursing my father. He's like, these people have no regard for family planning. I agree with you. But think of me, man. Every morning I get up with this thing in my head that we are 20 people in the house. I go to hospital. I go to hospital and my job is to educate parents about family planning. That's my job. Like the other day I'm talking to this lady in the hospital. I'm like, hey, what up? She's like, shut up. Then I realized, okay, she's pregnant. She was pregnant with third child, 2 she already delivered. So I'm talking to her, I'm like, okay, 3 children, too much, it's enough. Now try not to have more kids. And she's like, no, मेरे को 5 चाहिए. I'm like, where did the number come from? She's like, पड़ोसी के पास जो 4 हैं. Then I made her understand that if you do family planning, it will be easy for you to provide food, shelter, clothes, and education for your kids. They will be spiritually, morally, intellectually, physically, physiologically, psychosexually well, and they will be smart and cognitive level will be too good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, only 3 kids.
Oh,
I was like, okay, what made you change your mind? And she's like, you look at yourself, you're intellectually well, you explain well, you're nutritionally good. Must be your parents have done family planning. That is the shit I have to go through every day. And you know how my dad handles this number, like 20 members, not a joke, right?
Yes.
You know how he handles it? The other day he's calling me. I'm like, hey dad. And he goes like, do one thing, get 1 kg lean meat. For your information, my dad is in Kashmir and I'm in Goa. And I'm like, hey dad, I'm in Goa. It is you, I thought it's him. Name also he doesn't remember. Dad, it's okay, no problem. I kept the call, I was like, it's okay. After 2 minutes again, he is calling. Yeah dad, do one thing, get 1 kg lean meat. I'm like, dad, it's again me. It's again you, I thought it's him. This time I lost my mind and I got really pissed off. I was like, do you at least have count? Do you know how many you have? Okay, tell me one thing, under what name have you saved my contact? And he goes like, second last son.
It was nice, sir.
I'm like, first of all, this is disrespectful. Second, I am last son. Then he's like, what do you mean? I'm like, nothing, I don't mean anything, you're only good at manufacturing. I kept the call. But that's not it. That's like dad inside the house. Outside, outside dad is thug life. He is total thug life. You see, like when we go to a relative's place, suppose first when I go with my mom, and now relative auntie, her job only is to ask, "Tera beta kya kar raha hai?" This is her job. Now, my mom, she doesn't reply. She will look at me and she'll be like, "Chal beta, apna kartoot bata de." Initially, I used to tell straightforward answers. Like one aunt asked once, she was like, "Beta kya kar raha hai?" And I said, So one aunt asked, she was like, "Beta kya kar raha hai?" तो मैंने बोला, "आंटी नर्सिंग कर रहा हूँ." Then she goes like, अच्छी खासी शक्ल तो है तेरी. See, first of all, I thought maybe she didn't hear it properly.
Yes, sir.
Then I repeated myself. I was like, auntie, nurse bola, rapist nahi bola. People, how people take nursing.
Yeah.
They think it's like you do 8 pass, then you go and you become nurse.
Yes, sir.
But dude, at least this much respect we deserve, no?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Right, sir.
I mean, if you don't trust me, you can go and check. Guinness Book of World Records, they released a report in 2011, 17th May, saying that BSN is the toughest degree in the world.
Yes, sir.
Because it includes 174 university exams. 130 series exams, 160 major assignments, and you have to complete this in 4 freaking years. And which is not less than 1,000 working days. I'm not saying other degree, I'm not trying to degrade other degrees, but at least show little respect now. Yeah? But when I go with dad, my attitude when I go with dad will ask, suppose now this uncle asks my dad, Mr. Lowen, this is your son? And my dad goes like, oh, this is my second last, sorry, last son. So what does he do? And my dad, this is my dad's ultimate reaction. I don't know. Like I must have felt embarrassed because my dad doesn't know what am I doing. But no, I feel thug life. I feel like my dad is thug life because my dad doesn't know what am I doing. What does that uncle gotta know, man? So this is how I picture my dad that time. Huh? My dad is standing here. He is 5.4. By the way, in height I am his dad. So he's standing here, 5.4. Out of nowhere, this cap comes swinging in the air and it rests on his head. And there's obey written on it. Huh? There's obey written on it. Then black shades come. Out of nowhere. There is thug written and his life written. Okay? This dark chain comes which surrounds his neck. Automatically, huh? No one is doing nothing. Then cigar comes and which is already lit in his mouth. Out of nowhere, some dog pops with the mic and he's like, Salalala, it's the motherfucking D.O.D. Salalala, this is the one and only D.O.D. That is not a picture of my dad that time. Okay. First of all, this mic was not made in China. Second, these jokes about my dad were just to make you guys laugh in this pandemic crisis. Otherwise, my dad is one true gentleman. Thank you very much and stay home, stay safe. Also, there is no actual audience here. It's just my 3 friends. Yeah, that's it. Also, stay home, stay safe, pray to God, subscribe and